Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Kharkungor. I'm very happy to be here at the State Central Library. I live in Bombay, and it's after a long time that I'm coming back to the State Central Library, and it's just nice to be part of the Meghalaya International Film Festival. This is the first international film festival in the state, and it's a moment to be proud of for all of us. I'm very excited to be part of this. A lot of the states have international film festivals. It's extremely important because this is the time when the people from the city, from the state can come together and witness these great films from all over the world. It's after all an international film festival, which means that you get films from all over the world, the choicest picks of great films. And there's a lot to be said about the value of that. It helps greatly for filmmakers in Shillong and around in terms of honing their skills, but it's also great for people to be exposed to all these great films. So it's a wonderful opportunity for everyone to come together. It's long overdue, and I'm just really happy that it's finally happened, thanks to Mefilma, the Meghalaya Filmmakers Association. They've worked tirelessly to achieve this, and finally we do have a Meghalaya International Film Festival, the first edition this time, in association with the with the Department of Tourism, which has extended enormous support. I was there at the inauguration yesterday. Everything very well organized. The president of Mefilma spoke very emphatically, one of the best speakers I've had occasion to witness. It was all very nice, and I'm really happy to be here, just walking around, spending time with fellow filmmakers, but also audiences. This is the way that that culture is promoted, that culture sort of gets a greater definition, and I'm happy that there is a coming together of all kinds of peoples. It's a wonderful thing, and I'm really privileged to be here. I think it's great to be able to witness films, international films. One point perhaps that needs to be made is the fact that in India there's a lot of films that we watch only from Bombay, from Bollywood, as we say. And